Welcome back to our channel where coins turn into treasures in today. Deep dive, we are focusing on the humble yet potentially valuable €1 coin from 2012 Germany. You might be surprised to learn that this tiny coin, often overlooked, in loose change can fetch impressive prices among collectors if you know what to look for, with European coinage being one of the most diversified. In the numismatic world, the 2012 €1 from Germany stands out due to mint mark variations, rare errors, and collector demand. Whether you are a seasoned collector or just curious about what's jingling in your pocket, this video will take you through everything you need to know in rich, in-depth detail. Let's get started. The €1 coin was introduced with the launch of the euro currency. In 2002, made of copper-coated steel, it features a simple yet elegant design. The reverse shows the denomination on a globe highlighting Europe, designed by Lucy, while the obverse design varies by issuing country. For Germany, the obverse features the oak twig, a historic German symbol that was also used on the Pfennig coins before the euro. The 2012 German version continues this tradition but adds some unique features depending on where it was minted. Germany has 5 mints: a Berlin D, Munich F, Stuttgart G, Karlsruhe and J, Hamburg each, marking the coin with its corresponding mint letter. Now let us break down why mint marks matter for this coin. The German mints do not just produce coins, they produce collectibles. Depending on the mint and the year, mintages vary significantly. For the 2012 €1 coin, the mint mark can drastically affect the coin's value. For example, coins from the G mint Karlsruhe had the lowest mintage in 2012, making them more desirable to collectors. On the other hand, J Hamburg produced higher quantities, making those coins less rare. Identifying the mint mark is the first step in understanding if your coin has potential value beyond its face amount. Let us talk about the errors and varieties that can turn a common coin into a collectible jackpot. Several error types have been reported for €1 coins, including the 2012 issue. These include off-center strikes, double dies, misaligned dies, wrong planchet errors, and even missing layers that expose the steel core beneath the copper coating. Particularly rare are blank coins with no design or coin struck on 2-cent planchets, which are slightly larger and more valuable. These types of errors are not only rare but can dramatically increase a coin's value. Some have sold for up to €50 to €150, depending on the condition and uniqueness of the error. Let us dive into the actual market value. In circulated condition, a regular 2012 €1 from Germany is still worth just 1 cent. However, coins in UNC uncirculated or BU brilliant uncirculated condition can fetch 30 cents to €1.50 for common mint marks. Coins from lower mintage mints such as G or F in near perfect condition can be worth €2 to €5 if you happen to own an or better graded coin. By you could be looking at €10 or more depending on demand. Error coins, of course, are a different game entirely, with high premiums depending on the type and visibility of the error. The collector community in Europe is very active when it comes to 1 cent and 2-cent coins, especially as some countries phase them out. Germany still produces them, but as coin reforms grow, interest in these coins is increasing. Numismatists love complete euro coin sets, especially those with coins from every mint. This has driven up demand for less common mint mark coins from 2012, particularly in BU condition. Additionally, €1 coins with errors are actively traded on platforms like eBay, MA shops and local auction houses, making the German 2012 1C coin an exciting entry point for new collectors. So how can you find a valuable €1 2012 Germany coin? Start by checking your change, especially if you travel or handle mixed currency. Look closely at the mint mark under the oak twig and inspect the coin's edges and coloration. Use a magnifying glass or microscope to identify double strikes or unusual text spacing. If you buy coin rolls from banks or attend coin fairs, you might stumble upon unsearched rolls that contain BU or even error coins. Always store coins properly to maintain their condition, especially if you suspect a coin might be valuable. Let us take a look at recent sales and market interest. As of 2025, verified error coins from the 2012 €1 series have sold for up to €120 on platforms like eBay Germany and Catwalk Eye. A rare example of a coin struck on the wrong planchet sold for €96. After a bidding war, another off-center error coin from the F mint sold for €45 despite having minor wear. The takeaway: there is a growing market for minor denomination Euro coins, especially those with visible errors or proof-like finishes. This is not just a hobby, it's a serious investment niche. To make the most of your collecting equipment yourself with the right tools, use a digital scale to check the coin's weight, as errors often weigh more or less than standard. A caliper helps verify the diameter. Join online forums like Cointal or Deutsche Munsamli, where you can upload images and get real-time feedback from experts. Consider getting your coin professionally graded by if you believe it's a rare variety. A simple 1-cent coin in the right condition could be a hidden gem, and authentication only boosts its resale value. Thanks for watching. Who would have guessed that a tiny €1 coin from 2012 Germany could hold so much intrigue, value, and mystery? Whether you are hunting for mint mark rarities or scouring for dramatic errors, the world of Euro coins is more rewarding than ever. Be sure to like this video, share it with fellow collectors, and subscribe to our channel for weekly uploads about rare coins, value guides, and collector hacks. Drop a comment below if you have ever found a 2012 1C German coin and let us know which mint mark you spotted. Until next time, happy hunting, and may your change jar bring you luck and riches.